What are the main use cases for Amazon PPC? The main case is going to be get more sales. The way how you are going to get more sales is through 5 strategies. Usually people are not going to explain these strategies, so it's going to be easier to explain to you who's asking the question, and also to any clients that we're onboarding or even to our team. It's called the Evergreen Strategy Framework. Protect our own brand is the protect strategy. Either we're going to conquer, so either we're going to advertise on someone else's listing. Then the third one is going to rank. So for a specific keyword, search term, or product, we are making sure that we are going to get organic rankings by advertising for that specific term or product. Here we're going to dominate. This is a placement modifier setting where on specific placements where we are seeing that we're performing best or way better than other placements, we're going to increase placements to make sure that we're always showing up there. And then the fifth one is going to be discover. This is going to be the type of campaigns that's supposed to be the cheapest for us to gather data and to find keywords that are relevant, that we have not thought through, to find keywords and pay less than we would in exact match. Those would be the main use cases for Amazon PPC. Usually brands are in either all 5 of them, either if they just want to protect their own turf when it comes down to Amazon, so no one is going to swap up their sales, they're going to protect their branded name.